Hello and welcome to another daily dose of Jace tutorials. So in this video we are going to do some Python exercises, syntax specifically. So I am not a coder, but I found this really cool site for beginners like me, w3schools.com. So first exercise, insert the missing part of the code below to output hello world. So I'm pretty sure that's just print. I am reading a Python book, so I kind of know a little bit of the basics. Also, oh yeah, you can do show answer if you don't know the answer. So that is the exercise one. But what I really want to do is, as we go along in these exercises, I want to try them out in the Python shell. Just to get some practice in. So I'm just going to do print. Going to do the hello world. Like so. Boom. Awesome. So the shell is pretty cool. If you're curious, like I said, I am not a coder. It's actually kind of like my first time coding. So I am reading a book as we go along, as a guide. So that I'm not completely, blindsided. So print by, just wanted to do a little test, and then we'll move on to exercise 2. So this is a comment. Comments in Python are written with a special character. Which one? I'm pretty sure this one is a hashtag or the number sign. So I'm pretty sure what that does is it's a way for us people to put notes, and then it's not going to print anything. It's not going to show up in the So let me just try it out. This is a comment. So I press enter. It's supposed to be nothing's going to show up. Perfect. Awesome. So yeah, these first 2 syntax exercises are pretty cool. So I am a beginner, like I said. Oh yeah, also there's this go to Python syntax tutorial. If you want to learn additional things about it. So let's see what we got here. Python indentations. So it looks like according to this, you need indentation to indicate a block of code. So from what I can tell here in the example, if I were to type if 5 is greater than 2 and then print 5 is greater than 2, if I don't put an indent, the space, if I don't put a space, the indentation right before print, then it's gonna give me an error. So let's try it in the idle again, the shell. So I've never done this before, so let's take a look here. So if 5 is greater than 2, okay, colon, and then enter. Nice. So it actually did an automatic indent in the shell here. So print, if I type in print, 5 is greater than 2. Let's try it out. So I'm guessing if that's what's really cool about it. So it automatically did the indentation for me. So there shouldn't be an error. So let me do this. Enter again. 5 is greater than 2. Awesome. So it did work. This is a pretty awesome beginner coding experience for somebody like me. And in my opinion, it kind of helps me understand what this coding is all about. I hope to make more Python videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching. Take it easy.